Hey guys, so almost got in an accident this morning. I was driving through a subdivision and this car was on the other side of the street and I thought they were gonna veer, to get back on their side. And then they picked up speed and I noticed at the last second that they weren't gonna go back in their lane. So I laid on my horn and at the last minute they jerked the wheel to their right. As you can see this from my dash cam, almost clipped my mirror. And I went to the right as far as I could without hitting the curb. It's crazy because I didn't expect it. It was early this morning. Another reason why I preach having a dash cam, because it's like, if you have an accident like that, it's kind of hard to tell who's at fault depending on where the cars land up. With a dash cam, you can't lie, it shows everything. So watch this clip and I'll show you what happened. So here I'm just driving on this frontage road and I'm gonna turn in this subdivision. And it's not like it's dark outside, it's very bright. So I make this next turn. And I do this all the time, dropping my kids off at school. So just another example, always be on the lookout for people because a lot of people do not pay attention. So I make this first right and then it kind of banks around to the left and you'll see the car. And it's another Honda Accord. It's like a probably 2010 maybe. So that one goes through, here comes this one. Last second veers and I veer to the right. Here, I'll slow it down so you can see it. So right here, I've noticed it's coming right at me. Then at the last second, it jerks to the right and I turn to the right. And it happened so quick too, like they were coming pretty fast. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, to always be on the lookout. People drive crazy. And always have your head up, because you just never know. Hope everyone's doing good. I'll have a mod video coming up shortly. Thanks again for all the support. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And I will talk to all you guys later. Thanks again.